4 portraits. This is my first ever
That's
still life with acrylic.
Quite an accomplishment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Love the colors, love it's happy. Then too, just went into her world, wasn't questioning anything, super focused. Just went in and just started to belt these out one by one. At some point, she understood that some of these flowers are small. I didn't have to tell her anything. She just started to make them grow more, just to keep the balance, and it's perfectly balanced. And it's everything that the composition would need to work. We're obviously scaling up here, we're going down there. That rose, see how it directs us right here, back up again we go. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. It's like, it's solid. You look at that, you're like, wow, you feel this. You can really feel it. And then, there's a playfulness to all this. It's not realistic, but it's playful. It's like, there's the child in you is in here. It's definite that it's there, right? I love the vase that you actually put the effort into doing the stems properly. There's the intention, there's the work, there's a dedication to this painting. You feel it, and I'm curious to see your second and third as you keep refining your application of the paint.
It feels so careful though. I look at all the other paintings and I just see like this.
Yeah, but you're in the careful stage. I can embrace it. I mean, this you need to be careful right now. You do. It's okay. I mean, you have to start somewhere. And then the more confidence you gain with, like you said, I could be less careful. I can loosen up on here. I can try 2 or 3 different colors. First attempt. Give yourself space.
I wanted to put my hands in some paint and just put fingerprints.
Well, there's nothing stopping you from doing that next painting that way. Yeah, why not? And just get the feel of what that looks like, because what's going to happen with that is it's going to translate to your brush, and then your next painting where you're going to be as careful, maybe a little bit less, that experience you're going to carry it with you. So yeah, do that, definitely. Take sheets of paper, get on the floor, be the kid again. Just take gauze of paint and just put it down and then move it around. And then the disconnection is going to be when you're going to try and be that and this, and you're going to try and find the middle ground. Don't do that to yourself. You choose this or that. If you really like that, then explore that. If you really like this, continue on this path. But the exploration will come into here at some point. You're going to get to a point where you're just going to be like, I need to break free of this, and then something will come forward. But first attempt, be happy with where you're at. Like, love this. Love this. Give this a lot of love. All right? Well done. So I'm pleased. Myself personally, I find it so playful and happy. It's like, why would I not hang this on my wall? I wake up and look at these colors and I'm like, wow, this is...
Yeah, the colors are really luscious, especially in that one right there.
Look at this. And that's the other part, is like when people first start painting, the colors are muddy. It's not appealing. They're not lush, right? The flowers are all kind of weird. They don't have that.